Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to do a proper offset back. Now, if you're looking to get a CDL license, you're actually going to have to know how to master this maneuver. Because when it comes to the road test, you're going to have to know how to do a minimum of 4 different parking maneuvers. One's going to be a straight line back. Next one's going to be a pull forward and stop. Other one's going to be an offset back. And then there's going to be like a parallel park as well. So we're going to kind of teach you all of that stuff in many different one of those videos. So if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you subscribe. But there's only one thing better than watching our videos, and that's coming here and being a student at one of our locations at Driving Academy, the best CDL school in the entire country. We have locations nationwide. Check our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, for more information. With that being said, let's get into the step-by-step guide on exactly how to do a proper offset back. So, for offset backing, we have an actual step-by-step maneuvers right over here. So this is going to be parallel parking, as you guys can see right over here. And right over here, we're going to have offset backing. So when it comes to offset backing, we're going to teach you how to offset back to the left or offset back to the right. Let's kind of talk to you about what it actually looks like. So if we're looking here on the number 6 maneuver, what offset backing really means is we're going to be pulling up from one direction in one alley, and then we're going to be backing the vehicle all the way up to the other alley right over here. So in a real world scenario, that's going to sound something like maybe you're in dock door number 1 and now it's time to move over to dock door number 2. So that means you're going to pull up straight and then back into dock door number 2 or dock door number 3 itself, right? So we're going to use this as an overall guide to show you exactly what's going on for one way or the other. So in this case, say we're going to offset back to the left in this case scenario. So step number 1 is we're going to pull up straight. Make sure we're actually pulling up straight and make sure we're checking our mirrors out behind us. Step number 2, we're going to turn the vehicle hard to the right, then back up. So that means we're going to turn the wheel to the right. When we start backing up, the trailer is going to start going to the left. And then we're going to stop when it's 2 feet inside of that center cone. We're going to be demonstrating all this stuff for you, so don't worry about it. The next step after that is going to be turn hard to the left, back up, and stop when the tractor and trailer are straight with each other. So make sure that they are in line and parallel. And if you're doing this correctly, you're going to be able to check out the mirror and you're going to be able to see this cone right over here, okay? And every time you see goal, what does that mean? Get out and look. Super, super important. After that, we're going to be doing a straight line back. So we're going to be backing up the vehicle straight. And then the goal is to kind of get this vehicle to line up about a foot away from this cone so we can start backing it in. If you want the trailer to go right, you're going to turn left and then back up, stop when the trailer is straight inside the box, and then you can straight line back itself. So the hardest part of all of these steps is actually going to be step number 2, knowing how far back you should actually maneuver the vehicle and how much of a turning radius you should actually have. After that, it all comes down to how good you are at actually backing up the trailer straight. And this is a little bit of alley docking at the end right over here. All right, so now let me show you a tip and trick on how to back up this tractor trailer in any direction that you want to know. The first thing you have to understand is there's only 3 possible things that you could do with this trailer. You can make the trailer go right, you can make the trailer go left, or you can make the trailer back up straight. And you understanding those are all the only 3 possible things gives you a lot better, clear understanding of what you should be doing inside the vehicle. So if you want the trailer to go right, you're going to have to turn to the left. If you want the trailer to go left, you're going to have to turn to the right. And if you want the trailer to back up straight, remember this saying, turn to the same side you see your trailer. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, that's why you have to be a student here at Driving Academy so you can actually get behind the wheel of one of these 18-wheelers and actually learn by one of our professional instructors. That being said, let's actually get started in maneuvering how to do an offset back. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.